Today, we've got some incredible news for all the tech enthusiasts out there, especially those who love foldable phones. Samsung is about to take things to a whole new level with their latest innovation. That's right, we're talking about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, possibly launching in October. This phone is set to be a game changer, and we've got all the juicy details right here. So if you're curious about what makes this foldable different from the rest, stick around because we're diving deep into the world of cutting-edge technology. Let's take a moment to appreciate how far foldable phones have come. When Samsung first introduced the Galaxy Fold, it was a revolutionary step in mobile technology. Since then, the Galaxy Z Fold series has continued to evolve, offering more durability, better displays, and enhanced performance with each iteration. But as with any tech innovation, competition is fierce, and Samsung isn't the only player in the game. In recent years, we've seen some serious competition from Chinese manufacturers like Honor, Oppo, OnePlus, Huawei, Xiaomi, and Vivo. These companies have been pushing the boundaries of what's possible with foldable technology, releasing thinner, lighter, and more affordable foldable phones. So how does Samsung respond to this growing competition? By stepping up its game, of course. Samsung's decision to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim in the same year as the standard Z Fold 6 is a bold move. The idea behind this new device is to create a lighter, thinner, and more affordable version of the Z Fold 6 without compromising on the essential features that make it a Samsung foldable. According to reports, when Samsung's top executives saw what their competitors were offering, they immediately tasked their engineering teams with creating a device that could stand out in this crowded market. The challenge was clear: build a foldable phone that not only matched but exceeded the competition in terms of ergonomics, durability, and overall user experience. So how did Samsung achieve this? Let's talk about the technical innovations that make the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim truly unique. One of the key strategies Samsung employed was simplifying the phone's internal structure. By removing certain layers of complexity, such as the screen digitizer, they were able to reduce the phone's weight and thickness. Now, you might be wondering, what does this mean for features like the S Pen support? Well, with the removal of the screen digitizer, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim will not support the S Pen, which has been a popular feature in previous Fold models. But don't worry, this decision wasn't made lightly. By focusing on making the phone lighter and more durable, Samsung is aiming to create a device that appeals to a broader audience. After all, not everyone uses the S Pen, and the trade-off for a sleeker design might be worth it for many users. Now let's talk about the most exciting aspect of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, the potential use of titanium in its construction. According to supply chain sources in Korea, Samsung is seriously considering using a titanium backplate for this new foldable. If this happens, it will be the first time Samsung has used titanium in one of its foldable phones. So, why is this such a big deal? Titanium is a metal known for being incredibly strong yet lightweight. It's more durable than steel and much lighter, making it the perfect material for a device that needs to be both sturdy and portable. By incorporating titanium, Samsung can create a phone that's not only lighter, but also the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim could be the device that sets the benchmark for future foldable phones, and we can't wait to see how it performs in the real world. So what do you think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim? Are you excited about the possibility of a titanium foldable phone? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch: the Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.